Is anything missing there?
Yeah, more.
Okay. So let's type something like, what is my hobby? Food, right? So now I'm gonna submit it. Do you think we'll have an error? Probably, right?
Yeah, do the other one.
Because the confirmed guy is not there. We haven't built it yet. So immediately it's gonna tell you that he went and got it 404. 404 is like a file not found. And so that is telling me that in chapter 2, it was looking for a JSP called confirm. We haven't done it yet. Okay? So it says so here that it's not available. It could be that it's not available, that maybe you had it on another subdirectory and you have no rights to the subdirectory. Like if you had it at Daddy, what is it? Daddy, and you're trying to get it from here and you know, stuff like that. All right. Done deal, right? So now how do we do the other stuff? Any guess?
You have to create another page, right? Another GSP.
Okay, and the name of the other guy is gonna be?
Confirm.
Confirm, right? So the best thing to do so that we don't make any typos is we use that good old copy and paste, right? Right. So what do I do now?
Go to web pages.
I'm sorry?
Go to file. Right click on what page number.
Okay, we'll go to file. No. Go over here.
Yeah,
Web pages. Okay, now. Right click, okay. New, perfect. And then which one do I do? Do I create a folder, a Java class, or what?
JSP.
JSP, because we're still working on JSP, okay? And then we wait. So what's the name of this guy?
Confirm.
No,
Paste.
complete.
Copy and paste.
Exactly.
We have to remove the JSP part.
Yeah, okay. All right. Location is going to be, the project is chapter 2, and the location is inside the web pages, which is right here. So he knows to create these where? All the way back on the CGS4850, inside the samples, inside this guy, inside the web. Automatically, because he knows where this project is at and what is the default of the project. You can also go ahead and change it to another place, okay, if you want to. But why do that? And so we just go ahead and say what? Finish. So this one is going to give us the hello world, so we can do away with that. Actually, we can call this guy I am the confirm. I think this will be a good idea. You don't have to do it, but I think this will be a good idea so that when you change pages, you're 100% sure that you went to the right place. Okay? That's actually what I do in programming. When I create a new method, the first line of the method is I'm so-and-so. Okay, and then when I know that I'm actually going to the right places, then I remark that line. Okay. Also, if I get an error, I know exactly where I got the error. What was the last place, what method it was when I got the error. But that's not mandatory, but that's something I do. So what we're doing, we're doing the, and then the title on this guy here, I'm going to call it the confirmation page, right? Confirmation page, right? Okay. So let's see if it works. So I'm here and I say the hello. I submit there. So now I'm definitely connected to the right place. Okay. So the logic is good. So now we need to do what is it that we came here to do. And what we came here to do was to go ahead and say the value of the hobby was okay, it was something like your hobby is. And what do we put in here?
Yeah.
Okay, he wants something on bold, which is fine. And then we want to do that with the EL language, so we put a $sign there, the little curly guys there, and in the middle goes the what? Around that, right?
Doesn't matter if it's a capital letter?
I was trying to see if anybody saw that, because now it's gonna give you an error. And the error is, yeah, because I intentionally went ahead and changed the name of it, okay? So you need to remember to have exactly the same fields. Now, one of the good things that this one does, if you put a period, it actually gives you a hint of all of the different things that you can do with parameters. Okay, just like on, with that and all of that. The guys that took Java 1 with me, remember this guy here? The MOD. Anybody else knows about MOD that can take their Java 1 with me? No? Oh God. You're gonna have some problems in discrete math.
Oh, Mo.
Oh.
Right.
MOD, you said.
MOD, right. So what did I say?
I thought you said something.
Something else? Okay. MOD. So what do I need here? Just plain hobby, right? What else does he have? That's it. The body's closed, these guys closed, these guys are closed, and then we run it. So we're gonna put food over here. Okay? Now check these guys here. The URL. The URL, you have the local, the address, and then the name of the folder, right? But then when you submit it, you have some other stuff in there. You have the name of the next JSP file that you call, the next page. You also have hobby is equal to food. And the button that you press was submit. And that button is called, the text on is submit. So this is kind of dangerous. Let me change this, instead of submit, I'm gonna call this, one of these two, I'm gonna call it confirm, okay? So you see a difference in there. So we go back on this guy here, we go back to the index, and let's call this confirm, this one, confirm. Okay, and we save this guy. We can come back to this guy and we'll just do an F5. And you, no, we'll go back to that. Good.
You have to refresh.
I did. You see it?
On the previous page.
Let's do things the right way. Let's do a compile. Okay, so we do a food guy there. And we go and do that. So notice that is the page that we call is JSP, which is this guy, I mean confirmed. And the actual value of the name is confirmed, but the value inside this variable is called submit, right? The problem here is that if I go ahead and take foods, and I go right in there and I say the foods, right? And I hit enter, you see what happened? Change this guy here.
Is that why you want to clean URLs?
That's why you want to clean the stuff, right? All right, so the other thing here is, I don't know, space is gray. Right, so we're gonna have an error there. Actually, no, what he did was automatically put
Percent 20.
percent 20.
For every space.
Right. You can also go ahead and do it by putting in, instead of percent, you can put this little guy up here like that. Actually, it's a plus. Where's the plus in this keyboard? I guess I don't use the plus too much right here. Okay. So the plus will do exactly the same. See, it leaves the space there. So either the plus or the percent sign 20, it gives you space. Okay. Any questions on this? It's pretty easy, right? So if you get a program to do this with a whole bunch of more programs, and instead of just being a confirm and index, you'll be able to do it. Like if you go here and confirm, and then this is the confirm guy here, and then you create another one from here, or you go to this one here and you have, you want to be able to send it to two different pages. can you send